It's just serious drinks, fun bar, good times, and always delicious. Dram was a combination of just three best mates that wanted to start a bar together. Being in the industry, best part of 40 years between us, and we just wanted to do something just fun. Dram is very unique and special because of this multifaceted space that we have here. You start off with like the whiskey bar and the cocktail tap program that we have in here. The terrace is lovely, light all year round, heated and covered all year round as well, so you can just chill out and have a drink. We've got a lovely pool table with a cocktail vending machine in it. And we also have a muse bar, which can be booked out for like sort of private bookings. Cocktail bar downstairs in the basement where we've sort of elevated our cocktail program. And then we've got the lab and R&D space in the basement, but also a space where we do all our prep and cocktails for the venue. So we built everything ourselves. It's been quite a passion project for us. We've been received by the industry for like very well. Guests have absolutely loved it. I think people can see how much we love this place and the time and the effort and the sweat and the tears. We just wanted an all-day space. Let's just do what they do on the mainland Europe. Let's have a coffee program, a really good coffee program. Someone who's as geeky about coffee as we are about booze. And it's been great with David here, and obviously the terrace helps out as well. We're always all a big fan of Guinness. We've got, I think, the only official schooner of Guinness in central London. We're not a pub, so we don't do pints. There's a lot of London that if you wanted a serious drink, you had to go to a serious bar. We thought, why can't you just have a serious drink in a fun bar?